channel. Today I am gonna share with you tips and tricks on how to look taller and slimmer than you already are. So I got inspired by this very pretty YouTuber called Dearly Bethany. She created this video content which I find very relatable and inspiring. So today I am gonna have my take on how to look taller and slimmer. So without further ado, let's begin with a pair of denim jeans. As you can see, I'm wearing a straight cut blouse that is very loose fitting and a pair of denim jeans that fits very nicely to my body. It's always very important to find a pair of jeans that fit nicely with your body shape because it actually helps a lot in styling. So how can I make myself taller and slimmer with this outfit? Firstly, tucking in. So when you tuck your blouse in, right, it helps to create a more tailored effect, which actually helps to shorten your torso and elongate your legs. I mean. So you can tell that like my legs are actually longer than before and my torso is slightly shorter than before. So the second tip is to actually cover up the sleeves area. So if you can show a little bit more of your skin, you can tell that like your arms are slightly longer than before. And also, if you fold up your jeans at the bottom, right, you can also tell that by showing a bit more of your ankle, it helps to create an effect that your legs are longer. So here's the before and after, and you can tell that there's actually a difference in the height, in the illusion I mean. You can also elongate your torso by making sure that your blouse has a V-neck line. So this will create an illusion that your neck is longer and it helps to create this like impression that you have both like a longer torso and a lengthier leg. It's also very important to find a pair of blouse that is very fitted to your body shape because that will actually help to lessen like the amount of cloth that you have when you wear your outfit out, and it actually helps to create a lengthening effect to your body shape. So wearing a V-neck top and a tight-fitting blouse, as you can see, actually create a better lengthening effect than the black blouse that I wore earlier on, right? And to really maximize your height, you can buy a pair of high-waisted jeans like the one I'm wearing now, and you can tell that like your legs are goddamn long and your torso is like shorter just like that. So this like wearing a high-waisted jeans actually help to cinch up your waist and it makes your waist look smaller than before. So this actually helps to lengthen your legs. And yes, let's move on to culottes. Culottes are a basic essential and it's a must-have in every closet, like in every woman's closet. Why? Because it's so damn comfortable to wear, and there are actually ways where you can wear culottes and look sophisticated instead of like very auntie. Because I know that a lot of times my friends who wear culottes will find themselves looking very auntie, but there's actually tips and tricks on how you can style a pair of culottes and you can actually make yourself look very sophisticated and in comfort at the same time. So the first tip I would give is to wear your culottes high-waisted. So this actually cinch your waistline, and wearing a culottes high-waisted then at the hips area, right, will definitely create a slimming streamline effect, and this will definitely help to elongate your legs as well. You can tell that there's a difference between the length of my legs, and definitely when you wear high-waisted like bottoms, right, it will definitely make your body look longer than it is. So next, what can I do to increase my height? You just have to wear a crop top. So this black crop top I have is one of my favorite tops because it fits very nicely with my waist, and if you wear like a crop top and a pair of culottes together and you show a little bit of the cut right of your tummy, it actually creates a very like streamlined effect, and it helps to create a very slimming effect as well. So if you look at my like before and after, right, you can tell that like I look slimmer and I look taller in this outfit. And how do I enhance the look to make myself even taller? Well, here's a simple trick. If you can, go and invest in a very small, cute sling bag and make sure that the sling bag is at your middle hips area when you wear it out. So this actually helps to create a very slimming effect, and if I have to add on, it helps to elongate your body even more than it is. So if you compare to a bucket bag, which is very bulky and like short, and if you compare to the one that I'm wearing now, you can tell that like my long sleeve bag works better and it helps to create and the effect that I'm going for. So that's about it for culottes. So for bodycon skirt, many of you would have to concern that like it's very tight fitting and uncomfortable, and like sometimes because it hugs your waistline, right, and then you may not be comfortable showing your hips shape. So if let's say you want to go for a bodycon skirt, always go with a darker color one, because a darker color actually helps to create a very lean shape for your body frame, and wearing a high-waisted midi bodycon skirt will actually streamline your body shape, making it look thinner than usual. Apart from wearing a bodycon skirt, right, of course, what are the tops that you should wear to help elongate your body frame? So as you can tell, this white blouse, it definitely doesn't make me look short, but it's not the best outfit I will go for if let's say I want to look taller. So poof! If let's say you were to wear with a crop top that I wore before, you can tell the difference that I look more tailored and slimmer. So after which, if let's say you still want to look taller than before, let me share with you another tip, and that is to wear a high collar neck top of the same color. So you can tell that wearing the same color like top and bottom will help lengthen your body frame, and also high collar tops you kind of create an illusion that your torso is longer. And if you have issue with high neck tops, right, that's very normal, because some of us, right, have like shorter necks, and if let's say you wear a high collar top, it might seem as though you have very short necks, and this will make you look a little bit weird, or like you may feel a little bit short in it. So what are the ways to kind of lengthen your body frame, and also on neck as well? So you just have to tie your hair. That's as simple as that. So tying your hair actually helps to show off your neck area, and this will help to create an illusion that like, hey, I still have a neck here, and like it's long, it's goddamn long, and my body frame is also very long. That's something I would recommend you to do if let's say you want to wear a high collar top to make your torso longer, but you still want to keep your neck inside. So the last tip to really maximize your whole look, right, to make your look even like longer, right, is to wear long dangling earrings, like the long dangling ones. A long dangling earrings actually helps to create an illusion that you have like a longer, like for me, if let's say I'm wearing a very long piece of clothing, I will never go for long dangling earrings because it makes me look very skinny and long, which is something that I don't want to have that finished look. So I feel that wearing dangling earrings can really help to create a very streamlined effect, especially like the very thin ones, and it will also create an illusion that like you're taller. Somehow, it's just how it is. So yes, that's all for the tips for today on how to look taller and slimmer, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, remember to subscribe for more updates, and thumbs up if you have enjoyed this video content that I've created. So if you want to know more about the upcoming video updates, you can also follow me on my Instagram account at @Chu, and I will see you soon. Thank you and bye bye.